What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Quick variations. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So I had a bunch of misfit bunnies. I took them all apart. Here is the darkest head and the lightest head. Very much a color difference. Let's put it next to a yellow stem. There we go. Now you can see the dark, see the light, and see the bugs. Ha ha! Bunny time! You went out of the camera. You gotta stay looking at the camera. Come on. So there you go. Just had these little color variations I thought I'd throw in there. And then there's all colors in between, but they can be a very dark yellow and a very light pale yellow. Sometimes with noses, sometimes without noses. Depends on how much paint you have left, to tell you the truth. So until next time. Sorry, some bunny really wanted this.